In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement bar in Wix, whether you're running a business, sharing important updates, or simply want to highlight a special message on your website. An announcement bar is a simple yet effective way to grab your visitors' attention. With Wix, creating and customizing this feature is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking announcement bar that matches your website's design perfectly. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix homepage and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you manage multiple websites, this next step is important. Select the specific website you want to edit from your list of projects. This ensures we're working on the right site, so take a moment to double check. Once you've selected your website, open the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. It's the space where you can make changes to your site's layout and design, so you'll want to familiarize yourself with the tools on the left-hand side of the screen. Now look for the plus icon on the left-hand side. This is your gateway to adding new features and elements to your website. It's easy to spot. It's a small plus sign that opens up the Add menu when clicked. Go ahead and click on it to reveal all the options available. From the menu that pops up, select the box category. Boxes are incredibly versatile elements in Wix, and they work perfectly for creating an announcement bar. Once you're in the box section, you'll see several types of boxes to choose from. Within the box section, click on hover boxes. Hover boxes are great because they come with pre-designed templates that are easy to customize. These templates are visually appealing and can save you time when designing your announcement bar. Take some time to browse through the available hoverbox templates. Scroll through the options and look for one that fits your website's overall design and branding. Don't rush this step. Choosing the right template ensures that your announcement bar integrates seamlessly with the rest of your site. Once you've found one you like, click on it to add it to your page. Now that the hoverbox is on your site, click on the text area within the template. This is where you'll type in the message you want to display in your announcement bar. Whether it's a promotion, a piece of news, or a simple welcome message, make sure the text is clear, concise, and engaging. Once you've added your message, it's time to customize the design and content to match your website's style. Change the font, colors, and other design elements to ensure the announcement bar feels like a natural part of your site. Wix gives you plenty of flexibility here, so get creative and make it your own. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. At this point, your announcement bar is ready to go live on your website. Click the Save button to ensure all your edits are applied. Once that's done, preview your site to see how the announcement bar looks and functions. If everything looks good, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully added an announcement bar to your Wix website. It's a quick and effective way to keep your visitors informed and engaged. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.